Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Twin Flame Acres episode. Today we will be learning how to make goat cheese from our goat's milk. So we have Nigerian dwarf goats. They are great. They're small in stature, so we can manage them pretty easy. But they give also the highest fat content of milk, so their cheese is excellent. At least that's what I hear. So we have right now almost 3 full quarts. And you know what? I can't hold on to it any longer. I have to make some cheese. So let's make some cheese together. So what we're going to do is open up these jars of milk. Oh, I can't believe these are from my goats. And it smells like milk. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell anything crazy. A musky smell. We don't have our buck on our property right now. Our buck is helping another herd. Yeah, no, it smells like milk. You want to pour this one in? Okay. One of our super awesome farm kids is here today. You can smell it. Does it smell like milk?
Yep.
Or does it smell like gross goat?
Smells like milk.
It smells like milk. That's pretty sweet. Okay, be very careful. It's like liquid gold. Oh.
It's not liquid gold.
It is liquid gold.
It's milk.
Well,
This
liquid gold. If anyone has goats, you understand this is liquid gold. So we have quite a bit. I'm super stoked. This is about halfway full. People use a thermometer to see what temperature they get it to, which is fine. But we're not going to do this. We're actually going to do a different method that I've read about, and it is just bring the milk, heat the milk until there's like a film right on the edge of the pan, and when that's the case, then you can add your vinegar. So let's get this up to temperature. So while you are heating up the milk, you want to make sure to be stirring it the whole time on the bottom. Keep your wooden spoon on the bottom so that way you have no burning on the bottom or the sides. Once the milk has boiled, then we could at that point add a tablet to make a specific kind of cheese, but we're not going to add any tablets. We are going to season this after, when it's time to season, and I'll show you, but we're going to season it with some parsley, some garlic salt, and some dill. We are following a recipe on YouTube from a gentleman and his channel called Henry Milker. I found this when we first got goats, and I said, I can't wait to try it, and we are just now doing it. We're going to bring this up to a boil. I keep turning it up a little bit. We want to make sure that we stir the whole time.
My favorite part is so we can have homemade cheese and stuff, and put the cheese
Pretty cool.
in our cauliflower.
So tonight we're going to do a really cool dinner with a cauliflower. There's bacon, and there's cheese, and there's spinach. So we have spinach from our garden, and if this works out, then we're going to do the cheese from our goats.
It's boiled.
Okay. Every day I'm curdling.
No, you need to eat.
Now we're going to separate the curds from the whey. And I don't know how well this turned out, but we're going to make the best of it. You can definitely peek in and see the curds. definitely cheese-like. This is pretty cool. What do you think there?
I think this is gonna taste amazing.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. All right, put some parsley in.
Parsley. Give it a nice green tone.
Some dill.
Some meat.
Some garlic salt. And so that's the saltiness to it, but if you have some additional just garlic powder. Smell it. Go ahead, smell it.
Oh my good gosh.
You gonna try it?
Yes.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so let me try it as well. Little piece. That's really good. That's really good. We made this.
We did?
Well, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's really good. It still leaves like a nice aftertaste, but not like it's creamy. Okay.
It's not like super
You need to get
nice.
some fresh goat's milk if you don't have goats. And if you do, you need to milk your goats and you need to make some of this because it's easy, it's quick,
It's
and
delicious.
it's so good. All right, guys, so here's the end product. We're gonna press this, some of it, to have like a nice little thing, but oh my gosh, this is so good.